In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search posts in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the conversations, resources, and people you're looking for all in one place. First, open your Skool community. Make sure you're logged in and that you're inside the specific group where you want to search. Skool's search works within the context of the group you're viewing, so being in the right place helps you get the most accurate results. If you manage or belong to multiple groups, double-check the group name at the top to confirm you're where you intend to be. Next, look for the search box. You'll find it at the top of the page, usually above the main feed, or sometimes in the sidebar depending on the layout. This is the universal search tool in Skool. It's designed to help you explore just about everything in that group without jumping through multiple menus. If you see a magnifying glass icon, that's your cue you're in the right spot. Now, type in your keyword or phrase. Think about what you want to find. It might be a topic like onboarding, a phrase that appeared in a post or comment, or even a member's name. Be as specific as you can, because clear terms tend to surface the most relevant matches. Short, focused keywords work well, and if you're looking for an exact phrase, typing it the way you remember it can narrow things down. If your first attempt is too broad, try adding a unique word or two to refine what comes back. Once you've entered your search, take a look at the results. Skool searches across posts and discussions, comments, course content, and members. That means you'll see conversations from the community feed, replies buried in comment threads, lessons or modules from the course area, and profiles of members connected to your query. It's helpful to scan the headings or labels so you know which type of content you're viewing. For example, a result labeled as a comment can point you to the exact thread where a specific detail was mentioned, while course content results can lead you to structured lessons that cover your topic in depth. If you searched for a member name, you'll be able to identify the person and see where their contributions appear in the community. If you don't see what you need right away, try adjusting your terms, using more precise language, or removing extra words. With these simple steps, you can quickly surface the most valuable content and people inside your Skool group.